Bookham, the whole mask of the whole art house, Portmore, Arlen, Nero, Millennial Vice. Rrrr. Some rhythm, my girl them there. My girl them there. Rrrr. How it go? Rrrr. Body jaw for your bounce, it a jiggle. It a jiggle, it a jiggle, it a jiggle. Body jaw for your bounce, it a jiggle. It a jiggle, it a jiggle, it a jiggle. It a jiggle, it a jiggle, it a jiggle. Body check full of style, girl, make it bounce. Top girl inna the street and the pretty ducks. It a jiggle, everything a jump. Boss a bad girl, wine for me, pull a stunt. SK inna your belly, girl, you put a front. It a jiggle, everything a jump. Body check full of style, girl, make it bounce. Wow, girl a bubble and a wine like she's a jockey. Drive girl, curve, yes, right for the coffee. Granny girl, step aside, what the Sophie. I'm not a girl inna this one, let me feel lonely. Body top, come here, girl, you're not boring. I'm not a girl inna this one, let me feel touring. Girl boss like me, she keep touring. Have them girl, let's stand up, she's a win-win. Body check full of style, girl, make it bounce. Top girl inna the street and a pretty dance. Hit a jiggle, everything a jump. Boss a bad girl, wine for me, pull a stunt. SK inna your belly, girl, you put a front. Boss a bad girl, wine for me, pull a stunt. Cute for your slim, where she's the trophy. Where you rock those, we saw your bossy. Granny girl, step aside, what the Sophie. I'm not a girl inna this one, and me feel lonely. Body top, come here, girl, you're not boring. Girl boss like me, she keep touring. Have them girl, let's stand up, she's a win-win. She'll allude a girl like the legend Shabba ranking. Body check full of style, girl, make it bounce. Top girl inna the street and a pretty dance. It a jiggle, everything a jump. Boss a bad girl, wine for me, pull a stunt. SK inna your belly, girl, you put a front. Boss a bad girl, wine. Rrrr. Why the rhythm done?
Hey, me I tell you now, Lala Dan. How are you gonna week here? A big girl settings you go. You're excited. All right, I don't know. Me I tell you the serious part of the competition this, and the show gets serious stash. We break down a while ago. Capable get everybody in that emotional feelings there. Big up yourself. You don't know. All right. Hey, Lala. Hey, Lala Dan. Counselor, we can start with you. Yeah, we can start with you. What do you think about Lala Dan performance?
There's a common thing you use where you have and make it work for you. You can be sure no that dancer was a competitor, right? And you use a part. So you utilize all the ways in the building. You love that, right? You delivered a bit, but you were a bit nervous. So you make a shake in your hand. And you were speaking about the girls and their performance. You afraid of the woman them? Work with the girl up on the stage, man. This part of you can't stay there. Alright, me get you. But anyway, it could have been better delivered. You were a bit nervous for me, you know? And that's just you went off a bit, like you forget the song. Right? But overall I give you a 7.
Alright, a 7. Thank you for that, Counselor. Edwards. Alright, Kisha Las Vegas.
Anything to keep the vibe going. I too will give him a 7. But me know say he can do much better, because we used to Lala doing, you know? Give us some bad tune and them sitting there. But it was fun. It's a girl tunes. I liked it. A little bounce 7 again. Alright?
Alright, you draw them a clap. Nero.
Yo, me draw my one before, because I see man come on the stage with 2 girls. I say, but hold on there. Like, my Lord, Mr. Ford come here. But I realize where I did run this so long. Someone rears him come prepared, Virgin. So as I can see, I want it done drop before everybody else. So it has 7 for me also, you understand?
Alright, thank you for that, Nero. Lady Dash, what do you think about the body say it a shake, it a shake?
Trust me, after capable, God is capable, God is able, right? But after capable, I didn't really need a vibe. And that's the vibe for me. It's a jiggle. It's an 8 from me.
Alright, General, thank you, Lady Dash.
Yeah, Lala done.
Competition,
Yo, Baz. Hey, the performance mighty full. Like how you forward out, you know, the 2 impress them, man. You see me idea that utilize the stage and we love the context, you know, cause true enough people feel like say you have to come with a positive music or, you know, enough artists try to come now with it, but you forward different. You forward with a vibe and a kind of calypso, dancehall, reggaeton vibe. You see me I deal with, so for me, it's bad. Love the performance, love the energy. Capable just perform, kind of get we in a down spirit. You uplift back the spirit, make we go all back at vibe. You see me? So for me, you get a 8, my God, man.
Alright, Lala Dan, may I tell you, big performance from the band. Remember to keep the votes coming in right now, may I tell you, no.